Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of SlideRobo. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Producing. You drop in a topic and SlideRobo spits out a fully written, professionally designed, ready-to-present slide deck that makes you look like you hired a $500/hour team, except it takes 60 seconds, not 60 hours. While your competitors are still wrestling with PowerPoint templates, you'll be closing deals with AI-generated presentations that look like they cost thousands, but take less than a minute to create. SlideRobo, AI-powered presentation builder. You know that sinking feeling when your slides look amateur. When you're about to present your brilliant idea, but your presentation screams, "I made this in 20 minutes." Your audience judges you before you even speak. What if you had a secret weapon? Picture this: you walk into any room, boardroom, classroom, or Zoom call, knowing your slides will make jaws drop. Not because you spent weeks designing them, but because you had a silent partner who thinks like a copywriter and designs like a pro. That's SlideRobo. Our AI doesn't just slap text on templates. It studies your content, reads your audience, and crafts slides that sell your ideas harder than any fancy graphics ever could. The result? Solopreneurs landing their first six-figure deals. Startups securing funding rounds. Educators keeping students glued to every word. All because they finally had presentations that matched their expertise. Your ideas are brilliant. Now your slides will be too. Create stunning presentations with AI. Stop wasting hours starting from scratch. Just drop in your topic, and SlideRobo instantly delivers a complete, professional-grade presentation, all inside beautifully crafted templates. Perfect when you're short on time, out of ideas, or need to impress fast. SlideRobo gives you a head start, and a strong finish, every time. Conversion-driven layouts that sell for you. SlideRobo doesn't just fill slides with content, it crafts them using a visual hierarchy designed for attention and flow. Every layout is optimized for clarity, structure, and persuasive storytelling. Whether you're presenting to clients, teaching students, or pitching investors, AutoDeck layout ensures your slides look sleek and professional. Endless styles and total design control. SlideRobo delivers fresh, AI-generated designs for every topic. No two decks are the same. Choose from a wide range of professionally designed themes, then fine-tune layouts, fonts, and colors to match your personal or brand style. Total creative freedom, no design skills required. Turn data into eye-catching slides. Easily showcase key analytics and metrics with auto-generated charts. SlideRobo transforms your raw data into clean, professional graphs and visual elements that help your message land. Perfect for reports, investor decks, or marketing case studies, no design skills required. Smart AI content engine. SlideRobo intelligently writes persuasive, topic-specific content for each slide using cutting-edge AI. It understands your input, scans for relevant subtopics, and generates attention-grabbing titles, crisp bullet points, and insightful text that matches your niche. From educational content to high-converting sales slides, SlideRobo ensures every slide speaks directly to your audience without you typing a single line. High-converting webinars with Webinar Flow Assistant. For webinar creators, SlideRobo delivers pre-structured decks designed to match popular webinar formats: intro, story, teach, pitch, close. Whether you're hosting a live session or an automated replay, SlideRobo helps build engaging, persuasive flows that hold attention and lead to action. Include CTA-ready slides, FAQs, social proof, and offer summaries with zero effort. Audience Smart Engine. Tailored messaging that feels custom built for your crowd. SlideRobo doesn't do generic. With Audience Smart Engine, your presentations instantly adapt to your niche, whether you're pitching SaaS investors, onboarding real estate clients, training a fitness community, or educating students. The AI gets your language, tone, and audience expectations. It speaks their language so you look like you wrote it just for them, without writing a thing. Download in any format, PPT, PDF, or even images. SlideRobo gives you full control over how you share your work. Whether you're pitching investors, sending slides to clients, or showcasing a product launch, SlideSync Export lets you instantly download your presentation as a PowerPoint, PDF, or image files. No formatting glitches, no rework. Just polished, versatile exports that are ready for action anywhere. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.